Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ka National Commission for Protection of Child Rights harangkat ke Jingitrelang bat ke Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights ke skul ba nehu bat ketnat pule puthi ke sarkar jela henne ke sengi ke khatlai tarik unaitung kila lumlang ya ki principal jong ke skul baper ki badon hapok ke jela jong ke East Khasi Hills District bat kuntup ruya shispa angot ki samla pule ke skul ba nehu banyathir halor ka hok jong ki khna hagane ke jingelang layo jingkren now Director General ka Rambhau Malgi Phabodhini u Ravindra Sathe ubalong u Kongsan. Now Professor S.K. Srivastava ubalong u Vice Chancellor ke Skul Ba Nehu. Now Ba W.R. Lingdo Secretary Ketnat Pule Puthi ke Sarkar Meghalaya. But now Paresh Shah ubalong u Expert Education jangka National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. Hadin kani la penlong pat ya ke jingathir halor ke phang Sankalp se Sindhi bala lamkhmat dau Nitin Agarwal ubalong udkhot ke Rambhau Malgi Phabodhini. But no Professor Henry Lamin ubalong Pro Vice Chancellor ke Skul Ba Nehu.
We have undertaken this program to sensitize the students. Through students, we will spread the message of Narendra Modi for New India of his dream. He identified 6 challenges before the country is facing. That is, one challenge is poverty, then the other challenge is filth, then communalism, then casteism, then terrorism and corruption. So these are the 6 major challenges India is facing. So his dream is to make India free from all these 6 challenges. So we have undertaken this Sankalpa Se Siddhi program in Northeast. We have started in Northeast, and in Northeast we have selected 4 states. We started in Assam, then Tripura, Meghalaya, and on 17th and 18th the program will be at Manipur. In this program we are inviting school principals for their training, and through school principals we will sensitize the students. So in the first phase 800 principals will be contacted through this training program, and through this 17,000 school children will be participating. And at a later stage we will contact 5,000 schools through which we will reach up to 5 lakh students. So students are the messengers of New India, and during this program Sankalpa Se Siddhi, the essay contest, we also conduct essay contests for school students. First 3 students from every state will be given prizes, and every student who participated in this contest, the certificates will be given to them. So the basic aim, the basic purpose of this entire scheme is to sensitize our citizens, because without the participation of citizens, the dream of the Prime Minister will not be fulfilled. So we selected the principals and the students who are the best messenger of the New India vision of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This program is initiated by Rambhau Malgi Phabodhini. It's a training and research institute based in Mumbai, which also conduct public awakening programs, because this is a sort of public awakening programs. And for this program, Ministry of Culture, then NCPCR, SCPCR and Gandhi Smriti Darshan Samiti, they are our collaborators.